This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more helpful information this week. Today we're going to talk about my door on my range is kind of cattywampus. If you don't know what cattywampus is, it's kind of off kilter. What I mean is something like this. You see how this is not even? It should look a lot like this. Okay. Now, most ranges nowadays, the older ones are a little bit different, but the newer ones actually are. They have little things that pop up like this, okay? Okay, those actually pop up, and what you'll do is you will pick it up and take it off. Okay, what you want to make sure is set your door straight up and put it to the floor. Do both of those touch the floor evenly? If they do, then you know your thing's okay. So then put it back in, find the holes, line them up, set it in, set it down, lock these back in place. Okay, now they should go down evenly, and then voila, your door is now straight. Okay, these are the other kind. Okay, these are actually, instead of being down here, you're gonna want to pull this down. A screwdriver usually helps better. You'll just pull that down. Okay, you'll pull that down and see when it goes up, it actually locks the hinge in place so it won't pop out on you. And the same thing, out and in, and then slide it back in the way it came in. Now when you put these back, they should both be the same. If these two don't look the same, then you're not incorrect, so back up and start over and do it again, okay? Well, thank you for tuning in to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and come back next week with some more wonderful information. Thank you very much. Have a good day.